Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the top 9 new cool modern classics you can actually afford in 2025. Number 9. Benda Napoleon Bob 500. The Benda Napoleon Bob 500 stands as a stunning example of vintage styling with modern efficiency. Equipped with a 475cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, it delivers a satisfying 47 horsepower, making it ideal for both city rides and weekend cruises. The bobber design, with its clean lines and minimalistic approach, offers a bold yet refined aesthetic. A standout feature is the lightweight frame, which enhances handling and maneuverability, especially for riders new to the motorcycle world. The low seat height adds comfort, ensuring an enjoyable ride over extended distances. The LED display offers clear, easy-to-read data such as speed and fuel levels, modernizing the traditional motorcycle layout. When it comes to sound, the engine emits a smooth, mellow growl that suits the bike's relaxed vibe. Although the Benda Bobber is affordable and priced at approximately $5,800, it doesn't skimp on build quality, boasting a solid frame and components. Its performance matches its retro looks, providing riders with an authentic riding experience, whether commuting or cruising on winding roads. With an accessible price point and timeless design, the Benda Napoleon Bob 500 is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious riders seeking a cool classic motorcycle. Number 8. Fantic Caballero Scrambler 500. The Fantic Caballero Scrambler 500 is the epitome of retro appeal with a modern twist, ideal for riders who crave adventure. Powered by a 449cc single-cylinder engine producing 40 horsepower, the Caballero offers ample torque for tackling both urban streets and off-road terrain. The Scrambler design, with its high-mounted exhaust and knobby tires, gives it a rugged, go-anywhere appearance while maintaining classic lines. One of the bike's highlights is its lightweight frame, which contributes to agile handling, especially on rough roads. The LED monitor provides essential information like speed, gear indicator, and fuel level in a clean, minimalist display. Comfort is prioritized, with the suspension effectively absorbing shocks and providing a smooth ride even on bumpy surfaces. The bike's sound is distinctive, with the exhaust producing a deep, throaty rumble that enhances the overall experience. With a price of around $8,144, the Fantic Caballero Scrambler 500 is an affordable choice for riders who want a bike that can handle a variety of terrains without compromising on style. Its combination of performance, aesthetics, and versatility makes it an attractive option for those seeking a fun, practical, modern classic with real-world capabilities. Number 7. Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. The Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 stands out as a classic-inspired motorcycle with modern sensibilities, delivering solid performance and remarkable value for money. Its 648cc parallel twin engine produces 46 horsepower, ensuring a smooth yet engaging ride for both new and experienced riders. The Interceptor's styling channels the spirit of 1960s British motorcycles, with chrome detailing, a retro tank, and a simple, clean design. However, it's not just about looks. This bike is equipped with modern features like an easy-to-read LED monitor that displays all the essential data, including fuel levels and gear indicators. The comfortable, upright riding position makes it suitable for long-distance touring, while the suspension soaks up bumps with ease. The Interceptor 650 is a joy to ride, whether navigating city streets or cruising along highways. Its exhaust offers a signature thump, giving it the classic sound that many riders love. With a price tag of around $7,390, it offers excellent build quality and reliable performance, making it a great entry-level or mid-range motorcycle for anyone drawn to the retro aesthetic. Its versatility, comfort, and affordability make the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 a standout option in the modern classic category. Number 6. Suzuki SV650X. The Suzuki SV650X combines modern sport bike performance with retro cafe racer styling, offering the best of both worlds for riders who value aesthetics and capability. Powered by a 645cc V-twin engine producing 76 horsepower, the SV650X delivers ample power for spirited rides on twisty roads and open highways. The bike's cafe racer design Complete with clip-on handlebars, round headlight, and sleek bodywork, recalls the iconic motorcycles of the past, while the LED display brings modern technology to the forefront, showing essential information clearly and concisely. Its lightweight frame enhances maneuverability, while the suspension provides excellent stability and comfort, whether you're commuting or carving through corners. The sound of the V-twin engine adds to the bike's character, offering a deep, throaty growl. Comfort-wise, the riding position is slightly aggressive, but still comfortable enough for daily use. With a price tag around $7,399, the SV650X offers fantastic value, providing an exciting riding experience without the hefty price tag of higher-end cafe racers. Its combination of modern technology, classic design, and solid performance makes the Suzuki SV650X a standout choice for riders seeking a blend of style, performance, and affordability. Number 5. Kawasaki Z650 RS. The Kawasaki Z650 RS is a stunning example of retro-modern fusion, blending vintage-inspired design with cutting-edge technology and performance. Powered by a 649cc parallel twin engine that produces 68 horsepower, the Z650 RS delivers smooth and responsive power, making it equally suited for city commuting and weekend rides. The retro styling, which pays homage to the 1970s Z series bikes, includes a sharp angular tank, chrome accents, and a round LED headlamp. The modern LED monitor displays all key riding information in a clean, accessible manner, making it easy to track your ride's performance. Handling is light and agile, with a well-tuned suspension that provides both comfort and stability. The bike's exhaust offers a sporty, resonant growl, adding to its overall appeal. Comfort is a highlight, with a neutral riding position that works well for both short and long rides. With a price tag around $9,599, the Z650 RS is an affordable and attractive option for those looking for a modern classic with excellent performance, comfort, and style. Its retro aesthetics, combined with modern features and reliability, make the Z650 RS an excellent choice for riders seeking both nostalgia and innovation. Number 4. Moto Gzi V7 Special 850. The Moto Gzi V7 Special 850 is a beautiful tribute to classic Italian motorcycles, combining timeless styling with modern features and reliable performance. Its 853cc V-twin engine delivers 65 horsepower, providing just the right amount of power for a comfortable yet engaging riding experience. The V7 Special's vintage design, with chrome accents, a classic round headlamp, and a sculpted tank, reflects its rich heritage, while the modern LED display offers clear, essential information. The ride is smooth, thanks to its comfortable suspension and low seat height, which makes it a great option for both new and seasoned riders. The exhaust emits a deep, throaty sound, adding to the bike's nostalgic appeal. With its solid build quality, including a robust frame and durable components, the V7 Special is built to last. Comfort is further enhanced by its relaxed, upright riding position, which is ideal for longer rides. With a price tag of around $9,290, the Moto Gzi V7 Special 850 provides great value for its classic styling, performance, and Italian craftsmanship. Whether you're a fan of vintage motorcycles or seeking a dependable daily rider, the V7 Special stands as a top contender in the modern classic category. Number 3. Yamaha XSR700. The Yamaha XSR700 is a versatile and stylish modern classic that blends retro aesthetics with modern technology and performance. Powered by a 689cc parallel twin engine, the XSR700 produces 73.4 horsepower, offering a responsive and thrilling ride. The design is inspired by Yamaha's iconic XS650, with round headlights, minimalist bodywork, and a vintage-style fuel tank. However, the XSR700 isn't just about looks. Its lightweight frame, responsive suspension, and modern LED monitor make it a joy to ride on both city streets and winding roads. The exhaust note delivers a satisfying growl, enhancing the bike's sporty character. The bike's ergonomics, with a slightly upright riding position, ensure comfort for both short trips and longer rides. The build quality is impressive, with reliable components and an excellent braking system. Priced at approximately $8,899, the Yamaha XSR700 offers incredible value, combining timeless style with cutting-edge performance. Its combination of comfort, agility, and performance makes it one of the best modern classics on the market for riders who want a versatile and affordable bike that performs just as good as it looks. Number 2. Triumph Bonneville T120. The Triumph Bonneville T120 is an iconic motorcycle that seamlessly blends classic British styling with modern engineering, offering exceptional performance and comfort. Powered by a 1200cc parallel twin engine, the T120 produces 79 horsepower, providing plenty of power for both city riding and long-distance cruising. Its retro-inspired design, with chrome accents, a round headlamp, and vintage bodywork, evokes the golden age of motorcycling, while the modern LED display offers essential data in an easy-to-read format. The T120's suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps with ease, making it an ideal choice for long rides. The exhaust produces a signature deep, throaty sound, further enhancing the bike's classic appeal. With its upright riding position, the T120 ensures comfort on both short and extended rides. The build quality is top-notch, with premium materials and craftsmanship evident throughout. With a price tag of around $15,495, the Triumph Bonneville T120 offers excellent value for those who seek a high-performance modern classic. Its blend of retro charm and contemporary technology makes it a standout in its category. Whether you're an experienced rider or just getting started, the Bonneville T120 offers a fantastic balance of performance, comfort, and style, making it one of the most desirable motorcycles on the market. Number 1. Honda CB650R. The Honda CB650R is a stunning modern classic that beautifully blends retro aesthetics with modern technology and superior performance. Powered by a 649cc inline-4 engine producing 94 horsepower, the CB650R offers exceptional power and smooth performance, ideal for both daily commutes and spirited weekend rides. Its design, inspired by Honda's 1960s and 70s CB series, features a sleek, minimalist approach with a round LED headlamp, retro-inspired tank, and clean lines. The modern LED display enhances the rider's experience by providing essential information like speed, fuel level, and gear indication. The CB650R is incredibly agile thanks to its lightweight chassis and well-tuned suspension that offers a comfortable and stable ride on various terrains. The exhaust produces a satisfying sporty sound, adding to its overall charm. Comfort is paramount, with a slightly aggressive riding position that is still practical for long trips. With a price tag around $9,399, the CB650R offers excellent value for money, delivering both style and performance in equal measure. Its combination of power, comfort, and modern features, all wrapped in a classic design, makes the Honda CB650R the perfect choice for riders looking for a bike that is as capable as it is stylish. Which bike caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle content.